There's a pigeon, baby. Yeah, it's a pigeon. You can't catch him. You silly girl. You can't catch birds, baby girl. Hey. You're being silly. They're up in the sky, darling. Can't get them. No, can't get them. Oh, there he goes. It's gone, see? Oh, gone. You're a funny girl, you are. Okay, satisfied now? He's gone up in that tree. What's your brother doing? Should we go get that ball?